Are you YouTuber? YouTuber? Mike? Mike?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way.
Got my Shinkansen tickets. It was $90. I'm riding the Nozomi train, with the fastest Shinkansen in Japan. So I'm in Kyoto. The name of this hotel is Hotel Sugichu. It's a ryokan hotel, which I've been wanting to stay at. And here I am. So when you enter, this area is called Genkan. No shoes should step over that area. Then to the right is the restroom or the toilet. Look how cute this sink is. So tiny. The toilet separate, bidet of course. Then go this way. You have the tub and the shower. Got that. Panasonic hair dryer. This seems like a brand new hotel. Everything seems new. Bathtub, and they also have a public bath downstairs. And then this is the room. So excited. It's so cozy. I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the tatami floor. It's so spacious. This is the key. Time to explore Kyoto. It's 4:30, so I'm gonna explore as much as I can. Here's the fit. Got the pants from Uniqlo. I love it. I think it's made out of linen. I'm gonna go Nishiki Market, Gion area where the geishas are at, because soon they're not gonna allow tourists in that area anymore. They close at 6. I have an hour and a half to be here. Let's check it out. Cookies? Cookie ですね。はい。I'm gonna get this one. It's a geisha, I think.
300円のお返しです。どうもお客様
ありがとうございます。Swole cats. Let's get some dessert. I found something. This place is called that. We use Nishiki water to make matcha. Period.
Soy milk warabi mochi.
Warabi.
It is rice cake.
Rice cake.
Japanese rice cake.
Okay.
Okay, anything else?
That's it.
Shiro warabi 入ります。
And for here.
You need a receipt?
No, thank you.
Here's a number.
Thank you. Oh, they have these as well. So kawaii. So cute. I think this is the raspberry soda. Forgot what the name of it. Oh yeah. Not too much. Okay. Then this powder is a protein powder. I'm just kidding. I don't know what it is. Cheers. Wow, that's really good. Usually I don't like fruit soda, but this one's good. Really good. There's flour in it and some jelly-like texture. So refreshing. Let's see. Uy. It's like jelly. And there's ice. Like bingsu, I guess. Oh, it's like mochi. It's not jelly, it's mochi. Yummy. It's very light. Okay, I'm gonna finish this up.
YouTuber. Thank you.
Thank you.
Are you YouTuber? YouTuber?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just started last year.
ストリートサンプストリートサンプ YouTuber? Are you YouTuber?
Arigato. Cheers. That sake was pretty good. It was smooth. Now I feel warm. It's so pretty. This shop is so cute. I think you can get this on Amazon as well. I'm gonna get another one. I think this is the newest one. The original is this. The packaging. I'm at Kittyland. So many cute things.
Oh hell no!
I'm eating some vegetables, right? No, they
That's my shit, that's my wave. Do like that, then I repay. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. That's my shit, that's my